Traditional pork pig farming industry was confronted with such issues as property loss, uneven slaughter, improper timing, sickness recognition and nursing, and delayed cost calculation. As to FPF Group feeding in different fields, the system can record farming data. It adopts multi-sensor IoT technology, accurate weighing system, intelligent temperature monitoring, and ear tag recognition technology. To establish electronic archives for each pig, conducts partitioned management of intelligent platform, slaughter prediction and abnormal pig recognition to ensure promptness of farming profess and cost calculation. Sorter and group feeder are used to calculate the quantity of pigs in real time, intelligently recognizing growth status of each pig, directing them to AB feeding areas to increase feeding accuracy, reduce waste, and improve the overall uniformity of pigs. The system records farming data, helps with cost calculation, and reminds the manager of intervening with the farming process promptly, ensuring product safety and traceability. In addition, the system analyzes slaughter conditions and predicts future slaughter quantity. The intelligent sorter guides to discharge qualified pigs from C-door according to settings, reducing the labor burden and improving the slaughter efficiency. Intelligent sorting and automatic feeding data assist in decision-making. Mechanized management in replace of manual management, and differentiated nutrition reduce the feed conversion ratio. Each pig is provided a barcode in the whole farming process. Shuiying is dedicated to smart pig farming. Scan the QR code for more information.